Hi guys, it's official vacation packing time. We're leaving in a few days and oh my god, it is not easy to pack for a baby. Leaving on vacation for 3 weeks. Oh my god. So I am just here packing for Tyler before I start packing for hubby and I. And boy, can I tell you, this is all the things that I have so far out for Tyler. All his food. Let me just show you real quick. So these are all his clothes that I'm carrying. The selected toys that I took out for him. Pampers. I'm just carrying Pampers for just a few days, but I'm a kind of person like this. I like to bring backup for backup for backup. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I carry things just in case of anything to happen on my way or whatever the case may be. And I make sure I walk with his formulas and his breakfast. He likes to have this chocolate for breakfast mixed with the formula, and he have the vanilla one mixed with the formula for night for dinner. And then we have his lunch and his afternoon snack plus his biscuit that he loves. I have some shoes for Tyler will also be christening in the USA, so I'm not sure which of these outfits I'm going to let him wear. He haven't been christening yet because of French rules and all that, so I just decided to wait until I go to USA. So I'm going to christen him at mommy's church. So I'm going to let him wear this outfit, which is my first choice, with the shoes that I bought him, and or I might let him wear this blue outfit with one of these bow ties. I'm not sure which one, but I think this one is my first choice. His dad got him this outfit when he went to China. They look more Christian like, so I think I'm going to go with this one. I also have his sunscreen over here, and I made sure I bought him this headphone because I'm going to carry his tablet just in case he's fussy on the plane and stuff. So he can have his cartoons. And I also going to carry his chair. His chair is adjustable, so I think it will be easy to fit in his suitcase. His suitcase is a good size, so let's see how I can hold all these things in his suitcase. I'm gonna let him wear one of these pigeon on the flight, this one or this one, because we have a 14-hour flight from Paris and it's not going to be easy for him. I know when I'm flying from Paris, it's never easy. The flight, you have to get up and walk because the flight is so long. It's kind of uncomfortable, and he's flying for the first time, so I don't know what to expect, but I am prepared for anything. So I am just carrying backup for backup and carry all the things to make sure that he's very comfortable. And yeah, so that's most of Tyler's stuff, and that should be it, apart from his bottles which need to go here. I'm going to do a video to show you guys what is in my travel diaper bag, so you guys will know, have an idea of how I pack when I'm traveling with him. So I'm going to do a video on that. So yeah, I'm about to get these in the suitcase and see how best I can fit all these things in for him. Excuse my bare face and all, guys, but I'm just in a work mood right now to just get all these things done today. And then after I pack for Tyler, I'm just going to roughly take out hubby and I stuff, because I like when hubby and I pack together. So what I normally do is just take out everything, and when he gets home, then we pack our suitcase. I don't know how we're going to manage with all these suitcases and Tyler's stroller and all that. Well, the good thing is I don't have to carry a car seat because mom already got a car seat for us. So when we get there, he'll already have a car seat, so we don't have to travel with one. So let's see how best I can pack these and get everything to hold into Tyler's suitcase. And I also wanted to carry another one of his chairs, because that other chair is a chair that he loves, and he leans back in it and it makes him very comfortable, and he also falls asleep in that chair very easily when he's relaxed. So I don't know if that chair, the covering of the chair comes off, and the what should I call it, the frame of the chair seems like it can fit into a big suitcase without hindering anything, and it's not heavy. So I'm wondering if it can hold in our suitcase. But I'm not going to fill his suitcase too much because I don't want it to overweight with all the food and the formula that I'll be carrying for him. So I'm going to put it in our suitcase and see, because the thing is, Babe and I is just carrying one big suitcase for both of us with a small one and a knapsack, and because we know that we're going to probably shop a lot when we're in the USA, so we plan on buying an extra suitcase if we need one instead of carrying one from here. It's going to be a struggle to see that we have Tyler and the stroller and all these suitcases, so we're trying to limit the amount of suitcases that we're carrying. So let's see how this is going to go, but our trip is coming up and I can't wait for the weekend. We are leaving for Paris first, and then a few days after Paris we are going to fly to Philadelphia, and we have a few hours stopover, and then we're gonna head straight to Texas after. And I'm excited to see Mom! Oh my god. And basically this is going to be a really good trip for me, because it's not the first time my mom is going to see Tyler, because she was here for Tyler's birth. If you guys watch my birth and delivery story, you would know. But it's the first time she's going to hold him, because Tyler wasn't, well, I said he wasn't well when he was born. So not that he wasn't well, but he need immediate attention, because he wasn't crying and a whole lot of things. You guys can go and watch my birth and delivery story and you'll know what I'm talking about. So it will be the first time that my mom get to hold Tyler, which is going to be very interesting, because Tyler is at a phase where whenever he meets new people he cries, and I know he's going to cry, but I know my mom can't wait for that moment, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I know it's exciting for her and I can't wait to see her reaction when she sees him. Oh my god. So I'm really looking forward to that. And yeah, vacation is coming up, 3 weeks away from France, and that should be fun. So I'm going to go get these things in the suitcase for Tyler and see how best they can hold. Okay, you guys, I think I've made it. Everything is all in except the cover for the table, so I'm just going to drop the cover right here, and there you go. My suitcase is done packing. Oh my god, I hope it is not overweight. I'm just going to go ahead and close this up, and that's it for Tyler's suitcase. You hear him screaming downstairs. Mommy's coming, baby. So that's it, you guys, for Tyler's suitcase, and I'm going to go ahead now and pack his carry-on bag. I am finally through packing everybody's suitcase. So there you have it. Everybody's suitcase is all done packed, and we're carrying one less suitcase, because normally they would have a big one and a small one, and I would do the same, but because it's the first time we're traveling with Tyler, this one is gonna be Tyler's own. So Tyler is gonna have this one and his diaper bag, and Babe and I are going to have these two plus a knapsack, and we're carrying one big one less because we know that when we go in USA, we're going to shop and we might need an extra suitcase. Well, we're definitely going to need an extra suitcase. So it's better to hustle with the extra suitcase to come back than to go. So we're just going to get a new suitcase while we're there. So I was really hurrying to pack our bag, so I didn't get to show you what I put in our bag, but we're not carrying much stuff because we're going to shop while we're there. So that's that for packing our bags for vacation. I'm going to head off now to clean, because I don't know if you guys are like me, but I like that when I'm going off on vacation, I like to clean so that when I get back to a clean house. So I definitely can't go on a vacation and I don't clean. It doesn't matter how long the vacation is. Even if I'm going away for a weekend, I definitely have to clean before I leave. So I'm about to go vacuum now and get this cleaning done, and I'm gonna clean the bathroom. And seeing that we're going away for 3 weeks, I think I'm going to plug the fridge out. So I'm going to also clean the fridge. So I have a long day ahead of me, and I think I'm also going to go on the road to pick up some gifts for mom and her husband. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.